Oh, for sure, baby. It is Sunday, Gleason's Log. And, oh, yeah, so far it is a warm and beautiful Sunday. Oh, the show. So it is official. I will be coaching a youth basketball peewee team. And that means I will have kindergartners, first graders, and second graders. Yes, and I am excited. Oh, yes, because I'm just happy to be coaching. Even though it's a game I don't know much about, the good news is they probably know less than I do. So it's going to be fun. I'm very, very excited about it and looking forward to getting a little practice going. So, well, it's Sunday. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. Hopefully it's a day of rest for you, which I will be resting today. And hopefully Tebow and the Denver Broncos will put a hurting on the Steelers today, because I would love to see that. Tebow, good luck. Gator Nation's behind you, baby. Everybody enjoy your Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow for Motivation Monday.